Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So today is January 27th, 2021, and I'm your teacher Len. So first we're going to start with a little game. It's the shadow game, you already know it. So who can tell me who is this character? He's a lion, he becomes the king, and he has two very funny friends. I'm going to give you 10 seconds to guess it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this character is Simba. Okay, the next one. Who is it? He's evil. He wants to rule the galaxy and his suit is black. So you have 10 seconds to guess it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He is Darth Vader. So this is the last one. Who is it? He's funny, he lives in the sea, and he gets lost. You have 10 seconds to guess it. 3, 4, 10. So this character is Nemo. Okay? Well, today we're going to learn how to give directions. We use this vocabulary to tell somebody how to get to somewhere. Usamos este vocabulario para decirle a alguien cómo llegar a algún lugar. So we have turn left, gira hacia la izquierda. We have turn right, gira hacia la derecha. Go straight ahead. Sigue derecho. Go past sería pasa. O sea, go past the house. Pasa la casa. Cross es cruzar. Cross the street es cruza la calle. And we have the preposition of place. Tenemos las preposiciones del lugar. At the corner of, está en la esquina de. Next to, enseguida de. Next to your house is the pharmacy. Enseguida de tu casa está la farmacia. Opposite, enfrente de. Opposite the pharmacy is the school. Frente de la farmacia está la escuela. And between, entre. Between the school and the gym is the hospital. Okay? So let's watch the pictures because it's important. Vean las imágenes porque va a ser importante para la actividad. Okay. Ready? Let's continue. The activity. Well, the activity is very easy. We have these pictures in each number of our exercise. We have 3 pictures. Tenemos 3 imágenes. So the instructions are color the correct option. So I'm going to do the first one with you. So the color the correct option. Turn left. So we have the first picture and the other picture and the third picture. Okay, so you're going to look at the pictures and color the one that you think it's turned to the left. And you're going to see the second exercise and turn right. Okay, what's turn right? I don't know. That's for you. Las que siguen son para ustedes. Pero entonces van a leer el número, van a leer lo que dice el número, el ejercicio. Dice turn left y van a buscar la imagen que represente gira a la izquierda. ¿Ok? Igual con cada una de todos. Y eso sería toda la actividad de hoy. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to take a picture and send it to me. No olviden tomarle foto a su trabajo y mandármelo. Okay, see you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye.